everybody, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Welcome back to the new year. So today I got this box in the mail from House of Tools, which I ordered from houseoftools.com. So I'm going to show you guys what's inside, and yeah, let's jump right in. But first, I did get what I wanted to get online today that I've been waiting for like 2 weeks. So something huge is coming in the mail. I cannot wait to show you guys what I got. But in the meantime, let's open this up and jump right into it. Let's go. All right, guys, let's go ahead and open this up. Let's try to be a little bit careful. I don't think I can really damage it, but I don't want to find out. All right, so houseoftools.com. This is not sponsored, by the way. Let me just pull this out. Oh, I thought they were so much bigger. That's what she said. Okay, so this is what I got. It is the... Okay, a little peek right there. I think these are smaller. Maybe not. No, maybe not. Guys, these are freaking awesome. No, they're the same size. Okay, this is sick. These are the Klein Tools hand quote winter edition. These are the winter edition of the pint glasses. If you don't know what I'm talking about, this is the normal pint glass. I got these from Amazon like 2 or 3 years ago. I don't even know. They're just plain Jane with the logo, compared to the winter edition, whatever you want to call it, with like 100 Klein logos all over it. So very cool. I don't know if these are limited edition, if that's just for 2024, but I got these on houseoftools.com. Some stores would have these if you're a contractor, or if you just bought so much product or tools or whatever from the store, they give you these as like a bonus gift for free. But you can get these on houseoftools.com right now while supplies last. I don't know how long they're going to be there for, but I think they're freaking awesome. I wish it came in a 4-pack, but it was just a 2-pack. They were $24.99. No tax, no shipping. Love that. So, yeah, free shipping, no tax, anything like that. So, $24.99. So not bad. Not terrible, but not great. But anyways, happy with them. It did not come broken, so that's a double plus. So, yeah, just something that I wanted to add to the collection. I seen them online, and I was like, I really want those. Those look pretty cool. So now instead of having 8 regular glasses, now I have 10 glasses total, 8 regular and 2 of the winter edition. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Stay tuned for that huge video coming up. Give it a week or so probably. Anyways, thank you so much. I will see you guys in the next one. If you got any video ideas, drop them down below in the comments that you might want to see this year. Thank you guys. Love you guys. Peace.